Hello friends, welcome to my Coin City YouTube channel. The crypto industry is like a double-edged sword. While some projects facilitate superior investment opportunities, and some end up in fraud. Veracity is one such unique project that supports a unique patented proof-of-view consensus via which intends to resolve the NFT fraud and challenges of video streaming. Since its advent, Veracity price has achieved significant gains with subsequent evolution of its use cases in the video advertising industry. As the project intends to encourage publishers and game developers across the globe, is it wise to hope for sustainable growth for Veracity in the upcoming days, months, or years? What is Veracity? Veracity, VRA, is a protocol for esports and video entertainment platforms that facilitates a unique patented proof-of-view consensus mechanism to resolve the NFT fraud and problems related to video advertising. The product lines drift across different enterprises but are all built on the proof-of-view consensus mechanism as their mainstay. The Veracity has its own native token called VRA. However, the platform supports VRA wallet on its blockchain on which the VRA token could be utilized as the primary currency in order to take part in video gaming and advertising. Moreover, the proof-of-view consensus mechanism records each view on the ledger as factual and offers stakeholders within the video ad space a transparent media for registering organic human views in real time. Fundamental analysis. Veracity, VRA, was founded on May 18, 2018 by R.J. Mark. The founder holds substantial experience in the video and media industry. R.J. Mark has accumulated knowledge in the research and development of compression programs for video streaming applications used at Action TV in the United Kingdom in 2000. Moreover, he had served as CEO at DataCard, a data management company. He further managed to find other companies in the privacy management and media industry prior he started with Veracity. David Archer, a director of Veracity Foundation, has completed his graduation from the London School of Economics and Political Science. Other professionals including Sergey Malibog, Kirilo Bibic, and Dmitro Medianik hold a proven track record in programming languages. Veracity price prediction 2021. The Veracity price took enough time to bounce from its bottom line. However, it has managed to move with a pace alt season tide by early February. Initially, in its first bull cycle, the VRA price surged by more than 500% to initially claim its ATH at $0.04773 on the 4th of April. Yet, the price failed to manage its gains close to ATH. Owing to the Chinese market turmoil on May 19, the price has undergone a steep fall to $0.009 in the next 2 months. VRA coin price Q4. The VRA price has undergone 2 extreme bull cycles with mammoth gains. In the first leg up, the asset took a leap from $0.009 to $0.045 with more than 500% profits. With a short correction at $0.030, the asset broke out to surge by another 500% to claim its ATH at $0.08683 on November 3. Veracity price prediction 2022. If the proof-of-view token smashes positive highs by the year's end, then 2022 may commence with a $0.115. In case, if it falls down, then the New Year rally may commence with a bearish note at around $0.035. The platform is hopeful its listing on Coinbase in 2022. Hence it would rise up to $0.315. Failure in the launch of upgrades and probable bears domination would plummet the price to $0.099. However, with regular buying and selling pressures, VRA price may end up trading at an average value of $0.1685 by the end of next year. Veracity price prediction 2025. As the video streaming industry and NFTs marketplace and gaming space are going to flourish in upcoming years, with its promising events in line, the future seems to be really progressive for Veracity and new milestones are awaited on its way. If the network successfully achieves the planned updates as per their roadmap, then the VRA price may hit $1.254 by the end of 2025. On the flip side, if the platform fails to entertain the traction of the user base, and falls into prey for widespread conjectures, the bears may easily take over. In such a case the VRA price may downfall to $0.895. Our price prediction. The VRA seems to be unstoppable with a series of events lined up for launch. In Q4 2021, Veracity aims to introduce an NFT marketplace, along with VRA Views, a full-stack advertising platform, and numerous other projects are in line to launch. Hence, in the long-term perspective, the asset is still undervalued. According to Coinpedia's formulated Veracity price prediction, if the network launched upgrades such as in GameMaker launch, the price may easily surpass the 10 cents mark this year. If the network fails to execute its plan, then the price can flip into a bearish trap and dip to $0.0558.